Southwest, temperatures reaching up to 120 degrees, and that means the mass cancellation of more than 50 flights out of Phoenix Sky Harbor International. So what do they mean when they say it's too hot to fly? Keith Wolzinger is a commercial airline captain and pilot and joins us now on the phone to talk more about this. So, Keith, we're used to in the summer, especially here in the Northeast and in the Midwest, seeing flights delayed or canceled because of things like thunderstorms. But how hot is too hot when it comes to flying a plane?
Well, airplanes are given performance determined by the output air temperature and the airport elevation. And the airplanes perform better at lower temperatures and lower airport elevation, and they perform less well at higher temperature and higher airport elevation. Now, airport elevations in the desert Southwest run between 1,000 and 2,000 feet above sea level. So, to start with, airplanes perform less at those altitudes at those airports. Now, another situation is the performance data that's provided by the manufacturers and approved by the FAA and given to the airlines to figure out if the planes are legal to take off. There was a situation a few years ago where the temperature exceeded the data that the airlines had to make these performance calculations. So let's say, for an example, the performance data that they had a maximum temperature that they could calculate at 115 degrees. Well, as soon as the temperature reaches 116 degrees, you're basically off the chart, and you can't calculate that data, and you're not legal to take off.
So how common is this? Because there are, obviously, we've got Phoenix, we've got Las Vegas. There are plenty of hot places in this country that are major airports, and a lot of traffic going in and out of and through there. How often is this going to be an issue?
It happens pretty much every year. A few days out of the year where the temperature is either above the limits for the given type of airplane that's being used, or it's above the maximum temperature that the airlines have data to calculate. So in the case of the situation a few years ago, manufacturers went back and they recalculated the data at some higher temperatures so that now those calculations could be made and the airplanes would be legal to take off. I'm not sure if that's the case. I don't know the performance data or the abilities of these particular airplanes that are involved, but it might be just a matter of the manufacturers going out and recalculating the data to get back to the airlines.
We'll see if maybe that happens. Keith Wolzinger, appreciate it. Thank you.